Hi everyone, today I am going to teach you about a refraction, which is the topic of class 11. But the concept which I am going to teach you is very interesting. That is about what is the meaning of refractive index and why the light bend when the refraction occur. This is a very confusing answer. Someone says that as the medium, as the light passes from the one medium to the another medium or to the denser medium, then the speed of lights become decreases, then it's bent. And someone says that when it passes from the rare medium to the denser medium, then it's bent. But this region is not valid because these are the wrong regions which used to usually given by the events the teachers. But today I am going to tell you what is the right reason or what is the main reason behind the bending of the light when it passes from the one medium to the another medium. For this you need to remember a formula which you have studied in class 9, which is V. V is equal to lambda upon mu, which means this means the velocity that you could also remember as the speed, and this one is the wavelength, and this is the frequency. So this, if you know this formula well, then you will able to understand why the bending of light occur. You may get confused about how this formula will help you to understand why the bending of light occur. So just remain in this video, you will understand what to next. For this, first of all, I am going to answer what is the meaning of refractive index, because when you understand the meaning of refractive index, then you able to clearly understand why the bending of light occur. Let's suppose this one is the interface. Interface means a medium between the line between the two medium. So this one is the air. Let's see, this is the air and this is the water. Let's suppose when a ray of light coming from the air and touches this, then it refracted. This one is the normal, and then it's bent like this. That means this ray of light is not able to continue their path and get bended toward the normal. So why this happened? What is the reason behind bending and not making the continuous of their path, not able to walk over their path? What is the reason? This I am going to answer today. So for this, what is the meaning of refractive index? So if let's suppose the water refractive index is the actual water refractive index is 4/2, but let's suppose a medium here, not water, here any medium X, something is the X medium. If the X medium has the 2 as a refractive index, so if the ray of light coming from the air and when it enters into the medium X, then the speed of light will decrease by the 2 times in this medium. You may understand that. Let's suppose the ray of light is coming with the speed of 10 meter per second, but in actually the ray of light coming from a speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. With that speed a ray of light comes. Let's suppose this the ray of light is coming in the air and hits on the interface and enters into this medium. So if the refractive index of this medium is the 2, then the speed of light decreases by the 2 times. So what will the speed of light in this medium? As in the medium air, the speed of light is this one. But as the refractive index of this medium is the 2, then the speed of light is decreased by the 2 times. So speed of light in this medium become 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second by 2. So this is how you have to calculate, and you may understand what is the meaning of refractive index. Refractive index, that means how much time a speed of light becomes slower or the velocity of light becomes slower when it coming from the air to the medium X, or it could be any medium. So as you know that, let's suppose this one is the medium is the water and the refractive index of water is 4/3. So speed of light in this medium when it comes from this air and enters into this medium, the speed of light in the water become the 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second by So this becomes the actual speed of light when it enters into the water. So I think you understand what is the meaning of refractive index. So the refractive index means the by how much time a speed of light decreases in relative to the speed of light in the vacuum. So next, this very confusing question is why the light bend. So let's suppose this one is the we have the this one as an interface. Let's suppose this one is the medium X or this one is the medium air. So when a ray of light coming like this and this draw this one as a normal, then light bends to this. Let's suppose the refractive index of this medium is somewhat the 2. So why, even though we know that a speed of light is decreases by the 2 time, if the refractive index of this medium X, then if the refractive index of this medium X is the 2, then the speed of light becomes the 2 times less than actual speed. If the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8, then here if the speed of light in this medium is the 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, then the speed of light in this medium 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second by 2. So if the speed of light only decreases, then why actually it's bend and not able to continue their path like this? Why not able to continue? This is the what a reason we are going to understand. So what is the reason behind bending this light and not continuing making continue their path? So this is going to understand. For this you have to understand that for this I am going to teach you a concept. The frequency is source dependent property. Source dependent property. That means the frequency is fixed of anything. Just like, what do you mean by the frequency? Frequency means how much wave cycle completed in the 1 second. Or the frequency is written as the frequency which is denoted by the f and sometimes the like this, which one here we have written. Frequency is also written as the 1 by t. So frequency can be written as the 1 by t. So for this I teach you the frequency is the source property, source dependent property. So let's suppose a light rays which is the red color. So red color can have the different wavelength as it passing from the different medium, but its frequency will remain same because it is the red color. Just like if you take the blue color have something of frequency. Whenever the light blue color passes from the air to the medium X by, its frequency remains same even though its wavelength changes and a speed changes, but frequency remains same. In this case, when a ray of light coming from the air and get entered into the medium X, then the speed of light decreases and wavelength also changes, but the frequency remains the same because it is the source dependent property, and here the source is the red light. So red light. So this is why the frequency remains changed even though its wavelength of the red light changes and the velocity of the red light changes. So let's suppose if a red light is coming from here, then its wavelength changes, a speed changes, a speed of light changes by the 2 times because it is the denser, or the refractive index of this medium is the 2. Even though this change here which changes and this is the wavelength, it also changes, but this remains constant, and this is what it is the frequency of frequency can be written as 1 upon t. As you know that frequency will not change. That means the 1 by t will not change because the frequency is equal to 1 by t. That means time will not change. That means time remains the constant. So let's suppose a ray of light coming from the medium air and enters into this medium. So in this medium, as the velocity change, the velocity decreases because it gets into the denser medium. Whenever the light comes from the rarer medium to the denser medium, the speed of light decreases. A speed of light decrease by the 2 times, and then frequency change. But the wavelength changes, but the frequency remains same That means here the time remains same. That means whatever the ray of light is coming from the any speed, coming from some speed, but its time remains same. So for this the speed of light which is coming from the speed, and if the time remains same, that means this ray of light have to cross this medium x as the same time, in the same time, so that they have to take a smaller path to cross from that medium, so that they bended. If they bended, they become the smaller path and able to passes easily, and if they continue their path, they have to travel a long distance, as they cannot travel a long distance because this time is the constant as the time here we have. This is why they have to change their direction and move forward and become this and become the and have to take the smaller path, so that can they travel or go across through this medium x in the same time, and can by, even though because the speed of light decreases, then as you know that a speed of light when decreases, a speed of light decreases, the even though speed of light become the, this is the speed and distance, if the speed of light decreases, then they have to take the smaller distance to cross this medium. So speed of light decreases, then the medium, the distance become the higher for them to cross, so that they have to take the smaller path to cross this medium, so that they can cross this medium at the fixed time. And this is why this is why the light bends from the passing from the one medium to the another medium. So the main reason behind this, I would like to conclude the main reason. This is why they were the ray of light maintaining their frequency, sorry, the wavelength and the velocity, so that they have to change because the time remains the constant and the frequency remains the constant. So they have to take a smaller path to cross to that medium.